Hi, in this video we will talk about that kidneys play a crucial role in filtering waste products and excess fluids from the blood to form urine. They also help regulate blood pressure, balance electrolytes, and produce hormones that promote red blood cell production and regulate calcium metabolism. Maintaining kidney health is essential for overall well-being, as kidney dysfunction or disease can lead to serious health complications. Eating a balanced diet rich in nutrients and low in sodium, staying hydrated, avoiding excessive alcohol consumption, and maintaining a healthy weight are some key factors in supporting kidney health. Number 1. Cucumber. Cucumbers are undoubtedly nutritious, packed with water, vitamins, and minerals. While cucumbers are hydrating and can be part of a balanced diet beneficial for overall health, there's no substantial evidence to support the idea that they possess unique healing properties for the kidneys. Instead of relying on singular foods for kidney health, it's essential to adopt a holistic approach. This includes staying hydrated, maintaining a balanced diet low in sodium and processed foods, regular exercise, and consulting healthcare professionals for personalized advice. Number 2. Garlic. Some garlic supplements may contain high levels of compounds like allicin, which can be harmful to the kidneys in large doses. Additionally, supplements are not regulated in the same way as medications, making it difficult to ensure their safety and efficacy. Pickled garlic may seem like a tasty and nutritious snack, but the pickling process often involves high amounts of salt and vinegar, both of which can be detrimental to kidney health. Excessive salt intake can lead to fluid retention and elevated blood pressure, while vinegar may exacerbate acidosis, a condition where the kidneys struggle to maintain proper pH balance in the body. Number 3. Apple. While a refreshing glass of apple juice may seem like a healthy choice, especially for hydration and vitamin C intake, it can be problematic for kidney health. Commercially produced apple juice often contains added sugars and preservatives, which can contribute to weight gain, diabetes, and kidney damage over time. Apple cider vinegar has gained popularity as a natural remedy for various health issues, but its acidic nature can be problematic for kidney health, especially in large quantities. Consuming too much apple cider vinegar may lead to acidosis, a condition characterized by an imbalance in the body's pH levels, potentially putting strain on the kidneys. Number 4. Olive oil. One of the most popular uses of olive oil is in cooking, and fortunately, it's a kidney-friendly option for culinary enthusiasts. Unlike some cooking oils high in saturated fats, olive oil is predominantly composed of monounsaturated fats, making it a healthier choice for individuals concerned about kidney health. When selecting olive oil for culinary purposes, it's essential to understand the differences between extra virgin olive oil, EVOO, and refined olive oil. EVOO is made from the first pressing of olives and undergoes minimal processing, retaining more of its natural antioxidants and flavor compounds. Number 5. Onion. Before we explore their effects on kidney health, let's first appreciate the nutritional profile of onions. These flavorful vegetables are rich in essential nutrients, including vitamins C and B6, folate, potassium, and antioxidants such as quercetin. The antioxidants found in onions, especially quercetin, have been shown to possess anti-inflammatory and anti-oxidative properties, which may help protect against kidney damage and support overall renal function. Additionally, the high water content of onions can contribute to hydration, which is important for kidney health. Number 6. Blueberries. Chronic inflammation is a common factor in the development and progression of kidney disease. Fortunately, blueberries possess potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help combat inflammation and protect against kidney damage. High blood pressure, or hypertension, is a leading cause of kidney disease and can exacerbate existing renal conditions. The compounds found in blueberries, such as anthocyanins and flavonoids, have been shown to have vasodilatory effects, meaning they can help relax blood vessels and lower blood pressure. Number 7. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is often lauded for its impressive nutritional profile, boasting an array of essential vitamins and minerals that are vital for overall health. From vitamin C and vitamin K to folate, potassium, and fiber, cauliflower provides a diverse range of nutrients that support various bodily functions, including those related to kidney health. For individuals with kidney issues, monitoring potassium and phosphorus intake is crucial to prevent complications and manage symptoms effectively. The good news is that cauliflower is naturally low in both potassium and phosphorus, making it a kidney-friendly choice for those on restricted diets. Number 8. Fish. Fish serves as an excellent source of high-quality protein, which is essential for muscle repair, immune function, and overall health. Unlike red meat and certain animal proteins that may be high in saturated fat and cholesterol, fish offers lean protein with minimal unhealthy fats. Phosphorus is a mineral found in many foods, and its levels need to be carefully managed for individuals with kidney disease, as excessive phosphorus intake can lead to complications such as bone and heart problems. Fortunately, fish tends to be relatively low in phosphorus compared to other protein sources like poultry and red meat. From salmon and tuna to cod and mackerel, the ocean offers a vast array of fish species to suit every palate and culinary preference. Whether grilled, baked, broiled, or steamed, fish can be prepared in numerous delicious and nutritious ways, making it a versatile addition to any meal.